Good evening, friends. Today I will discuss one topic with you, that is simultaneous equations. You have already seen the methods to solve simultaneous equations. First of all, simultaneous equations will have more than one variable. And suppose there are two variables, then you'll need two equations to solve it. And for solving the simultaneous equations, you have seen either substitution method or elimination method. In elimination method, you equate the coefficients of either x or y, and then if the signs are opposite, you add the two equations. Signs are same, you subtract the two equations. But this is a bit lengthy as well as a bit complicated. I'm not saying that it is complicated, but a lengthy process. So today I will show you an easy and interesting way to solve the simultaneous equations using the methods of Vedic mathematics. So let us take the first problem here. So 3x plus 5y is equal to 61, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 38. Now in this method, I'll be just concentrating on the coefficients. I don't have to equate the coefficients and all that, but this is a totally different method. What I'll do is I'll make three columns here: x, y, and constant. See that the constants in the equation should be on the right hand side. So in x column, I'll write the coefficients of x. So 3, 2. In y column, I'll write the coefficients of y, 5 and 3. And in constant columns, I'll write the constants. Those are on the right hand side, 61 and 38. Okay, so now to find x, what I'll do is I'll just cancel this x column here, and I'll go according to this sign. Here I'll write plus sign, here I'll write minus sign, and here plus. So I'm canceling the x column and multiply these two. So 38 multiplied by 5. Multiply these two. 61 into 3 and change the sign. That means this product is positive. 61 multiplied by 3. So I'll make it negative. So minus 61 into 3. And in the denominator, now I'll cancel the constant here. Constant column, and do the same thing. I will multiply 3 and 3, that is 9. And 5 and 2, that is 10, and change the sign, minus 10. And a very important thing here that you don't have to forget is, see that above the y coefficient column, there is negative sign, and constant there is positive sign. So positive into negative is negative. So I have to give here negative sign. So what will happen? 38 into 5 minus 61 into 3. That will give me 7, and which is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. So what you do is make three columns. In first column, write the coefficients of x. In second column, write the coefficients of y, and third column, write the constants which are strictly on the right hand side. On the top, write these signs, plus, minus, plus. So to find x value, just cancel the x column and multiply in this way. So make a x here. So 38 into 5 will multiply, and then 61 into 3 you multiply. But when you are multiplying 61 and 3, we'll change the sign. So that gives you the x value. And in the denominator, just cancel the constant column and do the same thing. Make a x. So 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 2, 10. And change the sign. So minus 10. And for x, always give a negative sign, because on the top of y column there is a negative sign, and top of constant column there is a positive sign. So negative into positive is negative. Now to find out y, again write this coefficients. So 3, 2, 5, 3, 61, 38, and the signs are plus, minus, plus. So to find the value of y here, just when you are finding the value of x, you had cancelled x column. So here you will cancel the y column. And again make the x. So it will be 38 into 3, 61 into 2, and change the sign. And the denominator will remain the same, because you will cancel again the constant column and make the x. So it will remain the same, 9 minus 10. And as you can see, on the top of x, there is a plus sign. On the constant column, there is a plus sign. So plus into plus is plus. So for y, there is no change of sign. So now you solve this. If you solve this, you are going to get 8 here. So 38 into 3 minus 61 into 2, that will give you negative 8. Negative 8 upon negative 1, that will be 8. So finally, you are going to get the solution as x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 8. So you can see this is a very easy method. You don't have to equate the coefficients, add, subtract, all that, as well as in the substitution method, you will make either x a subject, y a subject, substitute in the second equation. You don't have to do anything. Just write the 3 columns. First column, x coefficient, second column, y coefficient, and the last column, the constant. So I'll give you one sum here to try yourself. So 5x plus 3y is equal to 31, and 7x minus 2y is equal to 62. You should get the answer x is equal to 8 and y is equal to negative 3. Only the thing here, you have to be careful of the sign. So when you are finding the x value, you have to change the sign. For y, the sign will remain the same. Otherwise, this method is very easy. Without any sign confusions, you can do this very easily. So just try these sums. You can make your own equations, solve them, and if you get the answers, you can make a comment on my videos on YouTube. See you soon with some more interesting tactics in Vedic mathematics. By that time, enjoy. See you.